Look closely at our Earth, spinning silently in the vast, cold, and empty void of space. Every life we have ever known, and every story ever told, exists on this tiny planet. To call our home a mere speck of dust is not an exaggeration. It is our sobering reality. Today, let's take a journey together, leaving behind this fragile blue marble as we venture into the deepest, most mysterious edges of the cosmos. Our journey begins. Our very first stop is the Moon. It is our only natural satellite, a silent neighbor, and the only other celestial body where human footprints have ever been carved into the dust. Leaving the Moon, we fly toward Mars, a cold, barren, and unforgiving red desert, completely devoid of life. Yet robotic explorers, including China's Zhurong rover, are tirelessly scanning its rusty, windswept surface, searching for secrets of its ancient past. Moving outward, we carefully navigate through the chaotic asteroid belt, home to over 500,000 floating rocks. And then, the true giant emerges, Jupiter, the undisputed king of our solar system. This gas giant is so unimaginably massive that more than 1,300 Earths could easily fit inside its volume. Look closely at its famous Great Red Spot, a violent, centuries-old storm so colossal it could swallow our entire home planet without leaving a single trace behind. Next, we approach Saturn, instantly recognizable by its breathtaking rings, a beautiful disk made of billions of shimmering icy particles, traveling even deeper into the darkness. We pass the frozen, windswept giants, Uranus and Neptune. Beyond them, we cross the mysterious Kuiper Belt, where Pluto sits in eternal, freezing silence. Up to this moment in history, only a few brave human spacecraft have ever crossed this dark, icy boundary to peer into the unknown. In 1950, the Dutch astronomer Jan Oort predicted that a giant, billions of dormant comets, and ancient spherical shell made of ice wraps around our entire solar system. This is the Oort cloud, spanning an incredible 2 light-years across. It serves as the ultimate boundary of our sun's gravity. Because this region is so profoundly dark and unimaginably far, human eyes have never been able to observe it directly. Once we finally break free from the icy grip of the Oort cloud, the stars begin to multiply by the billions, slowly merging to reveal the majestic, glowing spiral of the Milky Way galaxy. Our entire solar system sits quietly like a tiny speck on the outer edge of the Orion Arm. Looking back from this immense distance, our home planet is long gone, swallowed by the darkness, completely invisible to the naked eye. We zoom out even further, leaving our home galaxy behind. Now we witness the local group, a cosmic neighborhood of over 50 neighboring galaxies, spanning an immense 10 million light-years across. Beyond this neighborhood lies the massive Virgo supercluster, a celestial metropolis containing thousands of galaxies just like our own. But amazing as it is, this is still just a tiny, insignificant branch of a much greater structure, the Laniakea supercluster. Inside this grand, flowing cosmic web of over 100,000 galaxies, our giant Milky Way is reduced to nothing more than a microscopic, flickering point of light. Here, the galaxies flow like rivers of light, weaving the very fabric of space and time. In 2013, cosmic data confirmed that our universe has been expanding for about 13.8 billion years. Because space itself is constantly stretching faster than the speed of light, the observable universe, with our tiny Earth sitting at the absolute center, has expanded to a mind-boggling radius of 46.5 billion light-years. But what lies beyond this ultimate physical horizon? Is there an infinite multiverse, or just endless empty space? No one knows. This overwhelming journey reminds us of the poetic words of the ancient philosopher. We are like tiny, fragile mayflies drifting between heaven and earth, just a single grain of millet lost in a vast, endless ocean. In the face of this absolute,